Welcome back to my channel. I'm John Wolf, and this is my build on my 2009 Honda Civic K20Z2. So this is one of the upgrades I had to go with. The fuel pump, of course. I went with the Ditchworks DW300 340 at 40 psi fuel pump. I spent about $3,000 on this from a place, Performance Products in SA. This is universal fit. The kit comes with the voltage power supply cable, new filter, and extra hose. This fits straight into your normal, usual uh, fuel pump assembly. Other things I went with finally was my wideband EFI gauge. I went with the digital Evo Pro Sport gauge. It suited the rest of my gauges. Uh, At this stage, we already removed the fuel pump assembly and started fitting in the new one. As you can see, the disassembly is straightforward. You have to undo a few bolts from the rear passenger seats and screws for the lid and remove the fuel pump. There we have to pull out the power supply for the fuel pump. Just pry it open with a screwdriver. Remove the fuel pump from the bottom. It's the same size as the stock fuel pump, and if I can pause the video at the good point here, you can see the power supply clips is exactly the same. All you have to do is remove that quick release clip from the stock pump and fit it over to the new fuel pump with its O-ring for it to sit neat and tidy, as what the mechanic is doing there. The only other struggle we had with was at the bottom of the new fuel pump. It had these teeth which we had to grind off with a sanding disc on the angle grinder, not the center pin, just the outer ring teeth. It prevented the clip which went over from sitting tightly and keeping the fuel pump in place. That white clip I'm talking about right there, we had to grind the inside of that white clip as well for it to fit properly with the new fuel pump. I'll show that in the other video. There you can see the teeth have already been removed from the new fuel pump. It's nice and smooth, as you can see there. Nice and smooth, so don't jeopardize the center pin for the fuel pump inlet. And there we just had to grind the inside a bit, and that's basically it to installing the new fuel pump. I'm not going to go about how to remove it. That's straightforward, and after this it just goes back in. So one thing to keep in mind with electronic fuel injected cars is that they get sensors from variable places, such as the cam timing sensor, throttle position sensor, the map sensor, MAF, the AFR, the fuel pressure sensor. All those signals go to the ECU or to the ECM, which sends out appropriate signals to the injectors or to the fuel pump to either increase or decrease pressure, keep the pulse width longer, open, or shorter. And you have to get a good ECU which can handle all that. And for the drive-by-wire system, which is fitted with the K20Z2. So I'll add product links in the description below for all the products in this video. And thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to ask any questions, as I'm trying to help those with a similar application with a K20Z2 engine as well. Thanks for watching, and